Hey guys, welcome to the next video in our tutorial on how to use the Starcraft map editor. And in this one I will be showing you how to set up a small little map, just a demonstration on how you can create a bigger map just for normal melee play. So first you want to start off your map just like I showed you in my other tutorial by clicking new and setting up whatever fun stuff you want. I am not going to play with it, you guys could do whatever. So now that we have our background, our playable area, I'm going to scroll all the way out so you can see how big it is. A huge map. I'm only going to make a small portion of it. Okay, so life resides for me in these four little squares. So first, what you want to do is on this little exclamation point thing, this is your points selection tool, okay? This is how you will spawn a start location, and you need this to let a player actually be able to play. So this little box right here on the side with the four little points is your start location. See, add point, start location. Now, what you want to do is just click, let's just say 2 down. This little message pops up, tells you what you did. Kind of irritating. Just click off of it. And then add another one. So start location 1, start location 2. Now, I haven't figured out the way yet. It's probably really simple, but see how the start locations are following your mouse? I haven't found a way to stop it from, so what I do is just click the camera point up here, and then you can click back to your points, and now you're clear to select again, so you can select it, move it around, and then let go, and you're back. This is useful when you're doing units and trying to select stuff up, but if you want to rename this so you know which is what, start location 1, you could just do rename, right click it, rename, and just do player 1. And then just click off of it. It saves, and now this is now player 1. You could do the same thing for start location 2, you could name it whatever you want. This is later used in when you're setting up your actual players, and I will show you that in a little bit. But I did go ahead of myself actually. I'll show you, watch. If you do go to your units tab, click resources, and just lay down, let's say, okay, a few resources. Alright, ready? I'm going to do my camera and then back to points trick just so I can select. Alright, if you look closely, you could see the outline of a building. Right now it's the command center and it switches between the three. Next is command center and hatchery. But if you move your start location too close to your minerals, you'll know it tells you by getting rid of the building that this is not allowed. You can't have the building that close to your minerals. So you will have to back it up, and now see it's back. So now if I was to test this game, I would be able to actually have something spawn here. Same thing goes with your Vespian geysers. So that's just a quick little tip when making a map. But okay, now you have start location 1, 2. Let's rename that back to just start. Here, I'm just going to abbreviate. So start location 1 instead of player 1. So 1, 2. Alright, now go to map. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong tab. Map, player properties. Now you have player 1. This is all set up for you. You want to make a player 2. Control, if you are doing this to play with friends or even with computers, keep this on user. And now here, start location. If you want player 1 to always be at player 1, define it. Otherwise, if you want it just to be random whenever you start the match, player 1 could be on top or bottom, and relative for player 2, keep it at random. And everything else you really don't need to do. Just keep it just like this. Color, if you want them fixed colors, go ahead. I don't find it necessary. Just keep it as a true melee thing. Keep it just like that. Alright, so now that we have our little start location, I'm going to put it right there, right where it's perfect. Okay, awesome. Line this up real quick. Oh, come on. Right there. Okay. Let me zoom out a little bit. Alright, now I'll throw down a couple more resources just to have this little map. Boop. There we go. Oh, alright, put that too close. Oh, last one, right. Sure. Oh. Okay, there we go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, cool. So that's just enough. And now 2 geysers. I think that's going to be way too close, so I'll put it there. Oh, alright, there's one. Okay, there we go. So there's your 2 geysers, 6 resources. A normal field does have 8 mineral patches, but this one only has 6 because I'm cool. So there's your 2 geysers. Actually, no, that's pretty decent. You will have to play with it just to get the correct distance. So right there is your correct distance. Obviously, this map is ridiculously small, but I'm not really trying to do anything here. I'm just showing you how to set it up. So that is how you would make a normal little base. Get rid of that. Awesome. Now, when you are in your tabs, see, like, I'm selecting units right now. I can't select my start location. So if you guys get frustrated why you can't click stuff, check what tab you're in. Oops, I clicked the doodad tab. If you click the doodad tab, don't worry. It's just got to load. But once it loads, you'll be fine again. So, again, now I can't select anything because I'm in doodads. But if I'm in units, see how I could select my units? Oh, too close. Too much. I'm going to put this right there. There we go. That's a much better setup or layout. I can't use the English language very well right now. Alright, so then next, I think that is it then. Let's just see if this works. I'm going to click test. And now this hopefully won't take forever. While this is loading, I do want to say thanks to everyone so far who has been viewing our channel and checking out our videos. Really appreciate it. Just keep on going with us. Coming out with new videos as much as we possibly can, Camilo and I. And with this whole series, I have said it before, but I will be... I did something wrong. I will be doing this by myself, these tutorials. Alright, so, your map, instant win or lose. Let's find out why. Oh, I know exactly why. Because when you test map, and in our player properties where we had user for player 2, there is no other user. I'm in single player. But that can be fixed to making it computer. But keep it as user, and in my next video I will show you how to set up a map so you can load it online and play with your friends. And with that you can test it on a computer too. Alright? So take care for now, guys. Hope I did a fairly well job of explaining things to you. And see you next time.